As we move on, we also have our top four. We listen but we don't judge. BPO edition is from Sam. Shout out sa'yo, Sam. Sabi niya dito, we listen but we don't judge. We are family daw sa orientation pero di sinabi na dysfunctional para sa production. Uy, ano to? May pa-shoutout siya, may name drop siya, girl. Ay,
Dysfunctional
nako.
pala ang peg ay like how dysfunctional because siguro I've been lucky enough to have belonged to group of people. Not all of my experiences I got to experience a productive and a good um group of people, no. Pero siguro when I say dysfunctional, I could say na they usually don't declare or anong klaseng culture ang meron sa kanila because they also don't know. And second, they don't like the culture themselves. Those who, and then when you get to experience na yung kanilang operations, doon mo na nalaman ng how dysfunctional it is. Like, meron ako one company na na-experience very recently, not your company kaya, very recently, very recently, as in super duper toxic talaga ng CEO nila, as in to the point wherein whenever he asks question, he only wants yes or no answer. When you try to explain, he will interrupt you, and he will make a big deal out of that answer, and he will make sermon. Hey, I don't sabi niya sa'yo na I don't like you don't have to explain yourself. You don't have to give me story and give me bullshit. I just want yes or no. Because whenever you say story, you're lying. Ganun siya ka toxic na CEO. And that also made and that reflects on the people who are on his company because walang coordination ang mga departments, walang every time that we were jumping on a meeting, lahat naka poker face. You would really feel kahit na virtual ang aming meeting, you would really feel na how toxic the environment is and how they hate their jobs talaga, as in super. But again, when I got hired, I didn't know that that was the reality, right? So yun.
Grabe, no? I'm so sorry that you had to experience that. I cannot
Mhm,
imagine,
mhm,
how brutal that can be, especially during the meeting. Kasi imagine, no, you were hired because apart from your duties and responsibilities, you are also expected to share your ideas. And how are you gonna be able to do that if the CEO himself or herself is, being like that and not being open to such ideas na to a point na talagang yes or no lang ang acceptable answers. Ay naku, nakakaloka yung mga ganyan ha.
Hindi man sana natiis ano. Siguro let's just say I've had a worst boss. And this kind
Oh.
of boss is someone na I I can take. I'm a grown man. I can take those kind of attitude ano. But what I do lang is again I'm being selective now of what really should affect me, and I refuse to be affected by what he's doing, right? In fact, meron akong isang teammate who's also a department head na nag-resign because of that hindi niya kaya. And I don't think that at this point in his life na he would listen and he would be willing to be corrected by literally anyone.
Ay lalo
Ayun.
na,
So,
kaya naman pala.
instead of me focusing on giving him feedback, hey, that's not right. I think we deserve to be treated this way, blah, blah, blah. I don't think it will work anymore. So instead of me focusing my energy on thinking that, I just focus on what can I do just for me to move away from that toxic environment, hindi ba? And so far, it's
Nakakaloka,
working fine.
pero good for that person ha, na talagang kumawala na siya. Kasi kung if you're the person who can handle it, what about those
Mm,
people that cannot handle it? And I
mm,
respect those people that leave the company behind.
mm,
Kasi that means that you have acknowledged yourself, and when you realize that you
mm,
don't deserve this kind of treatment, you are setting these healthy boundaries in you to start fresh.
correct.
And
Mm,
I think we have also kind of like discussed the gist of this, based on our previous episode, di ba? How to
Correct.
set up, healthy boundaries. So that's a very good thing, no? And
Mm,
this is a perfect we listen but we don't judge BPO edition entry from UJ, no? Having to share that experience of your colleague before.
mm,
Kasi it's really
mm,
point on. There's really no judgment on people that resigns just because of that particular reason kasi it's definitely valid. Not
mm,
everyone can handle that level of stress. So kung
mm.
ikaw man ay ganun, 'di ba? Um
True.
you have the right to make such decision. And meron lang kasi talaga ibang tao no kaya lang tumatagal despite them not being able to take it all is yung parang thought na magsisimula na naman ako, back to
True.
zero.
Mm,
Pero little did they know, ang daming puwede pang i-offer ng buhay na
true.
mas deserve mo. It only
Correct.
takes a decision from you. So,
Correct.
what are you waiting for? Resign ka na. Charing!
And that wraps up another episode of the BPO Break Room. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin today.
We hope you enjoyed the kwentuhan and learned something new. Don't forget, laugh, learn, and level up.
And follow us on Spotify, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok for exciting updates, tips, and more chikahan.
Give us a thumbs up and share this with your workmates. Baka ito na ang break time inspiration nila. Until next time, stay awesome, stay productive, and always take time to recharge. Kita-kits ulit dito sa The BPO Break Room.